So I'm going to replace the cabin filter in my Jetta here. Ignore all the wires. I have wires run up for the dash camera that are right where my cabin filter kind of goes. But underneath, you want to come down here. And you have a screw there and a screw there. You need to unscrew those. They're just plastic screws. You can take them out by hand. This is what they look like. So nothing crazy. But pull both of those out. And then you can pull this piece down. Yours won't look like this. You won't have crappy wires running around everywhere. But I do. So just kind of get these up out of the way for us here. And run up to my radio and to my sub. So then you have this panel here. And all it does is slide back. Comes down. And then the cabin filter actually just pulls right out, which it looks like it is caked up with some garbage. So that's our old cabin filter. You can see how gross it is. Definitely needed to be replaced. So we got our new filter. Remember how that one comes in? On the Jetta, you have the high side goes on the left, the low side goes on the right. You pretty much can't install this incorrectly. You can only go in one way. Once you get it going in, you just kind of slide it up. And then you take your lock, teeth slide back, and then lock it in. And boom, cabin filter's installed. And that's all it is to install a cabin filter on a Volkswagen Jetta. Then you'll take your foam piece, you'll tuck it back up in there and screw it back in and tuck all the wires in if you have any wires like me. And that's boom, done. Simple install.